Right now, there are channels pulling in $50,000 a month, and most of them didn't exist 6 months ago. Take this creator, 11 videos, over 200,000 subscribers, every single upload, over 1 million views. Or this one, 6 videos in total already past 200K subscribers and closing in on 20 million views. And here's the wildest part. This third creator posted just 3 videos, got monetized in their first month, and started cashing checks before most people even finish researching their niche. Now, a few months ago, videos like these were hard to make. You'd need skilled editors, expensive gear, and weeks of learning. But that's not how we do things here. Today, I'm handing you the complete blueprint to build a $50,000 per month 3D documentary channel using AI to do the heavy lifting. No hiring, no expensive software, just a system that works. And I'll show you the one step most creators skip that keeps them stuck at 0 views forever. Let's get into it. First things first, if you're going to build a faceless channel, you need to pick a niche that actually works. And 3D documentary content? It's on fire right now. Let me show you proof. Fern, one of the biggest channels in this space, pulling in an estimated $50,000 per month from AdSense alone. That's not from sponsorships, not from courses, just YouTube ad revenue. Fern gets around 18 million views per month. The RPM sits at about $3, which might sound modest. But when you're moving that kind of traffic, the math gets real pretty quick. And here's the thing, Fern isn't alone. When you dig into similar channels, you'll find dozens of smaller creators blowing up right now. This niche is active, it's expanding, and it's not oversaturated yet. But having a great niche means nothing if your channel looks like everyone else's. Here's what separates viral channels from dead ones. Branding. Not just a logo, not just a name, but the entire vibe. So let's build yours. Step 1. Channel name. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 channel name ideas styled like successful channels in this niche. Think Fern, Atrium, or Cypher. Short, clear, and memorable. Step 2. SEO optimized description. In the same chat, ask ChatGPT to write a description that's keyword-rich but still sounds human. Include hooks and make it engaging. This isn't just for YouTube's algorithm, it's for people deciding whether to subscribe. Step 3. Logo. Head to Leonardo AI, use the Phoenix model, and set your aspect ratio to 1:1. Paste the image prompt ChatGPT generated for you and hit generate. 20 seconds later, you've got a professional logo that matches your brand perfectly. Download it and upload it to YouTube Studio. Step 4. Channel banner. Jump into Canva. Pick a YouTube banner template. Keep it minimal. Add your channel name, maybe a line like new videos every week. Delete the rest. Export, upload, and publish. Your channel now looks like it's been around for years. But here's the step 95% of creators skip. If you've ever uploaded a video and got 0 views for days, this is why. YouTube doesn't trust new accounts, especially faceless ones. So here's what you do. First, verify your phone number in YouTube Studio. Sounds simple, but it sends a massive trust signal to the algorithm. Second, the warm-up strategy nobody talks about. Before you upload your first video, spend 1 week actively using YouTube. Watch videos in your niche, like them, leave real comments, subscribe to channels. Act like a normal user. Why does this work? Because YouTube sees your account as real, not a bot farm or spam channel. And when you finally upload, the algorithm actually gives you a shot. All right, your channel's set. Now let's talk about the content that actually prints money. Here's the truth. Random video ideas don't work. You need proof before you hit record. So here's the system. Find a successful channel in your niche. In this example, we'll be using Fern again. Copy the videos of the first 3 roles of their channel. Paste them into ChatGPT and ask it to export only the titles. Now here's where it gets smart. Ask ChatGPT to identify the common themes, narrative structures, and emotional triggers across those titles. Then tell it to generate new original topics based on those insights. What you get? Fresh ideas backed by proven concepts. You're not copying. You're reverse engineering what works. And that's the difference between guessing and building a system. If this breakdown is clicking for you, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, drop a fire emoji in the comments, and let me know you're still here. Because what's coming next? This is where most people quit too early. Let's keep going. All right, you've got your topic. Now you need a script. But not just any script. A viral documentary-style script. Here's the formula. Head back into ChatGPT, same chat where you created your topics. Ask it to write a complete script in the style of Fern. Specify the length, 2 minutes minimum, but if you want depth, go for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to request that documentary tones, suspense, curiosity, payoff. What ChatGPT gives you is a script that combines proven structure with an original story. No plagiarism, no generic fluff, just high-retention content designed to keep people watching. Script's done. But here's where AI goes from helper to full production team. Now we build the visual engine. In the same chat with ChatGPT, ask it to generate image prompts that represent the script. Tell it you want them in a 3D animation style. Each image should last 3 to 5 seconds in the video. For a 2-minute video, you'll get around 15 prompts. If you want more, ask ChatGPT to expand the list to 25. For longer video, you can scale this to 50, even 100 prompts. Second, animation prompts. These are detailed instructions for turning static images into motion. Ask ChatGPT to create 25 animation prompts based on the script and image prompts above. What you'll get are scene-specific directions, camera movements, focus shifts, and transitions. Third, sound effect prompts. Same process. Ask for 25 sound effects prompts that match each scene. Footsteps, door creaks, wind, tension. Now you have a complete production blueprint. Every visual, every movement, every sound, pre-planned and cohesive. Now that you have the blueprint, let's actually build the thing. Open Video Talk. This tool handles everything in one place. Step 1. Voiceover. Click Create Video from scratch. Paste your full script into the voiceover section. Pick a voice that's got a documentary vibe locked in. Click Add Voice. Boom! It auto-imports into your timeline. Step 2. Generate 3D images. Head to the Media section. Paste your first image prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose Google Imagen 4 Ultra as your model. Hit Generate. 10 seconds later, perfect image. Repeat for all scenes. You can batch generate to save time. Step 3. Animate the images. Click on your first image. Paste the first animation prompt. Choose High-Low Pro as your video model since it's affordable and it's high quality. Generate. 1 to 2 minutes later, your scene is animated. Do this for every scene. Batch them if you want. Step 4. Add sound effects. Click on each video clip, paste the corresponding sound effects prompt and hit Generate. Or use Video Talk's pre-made sound effect library and go hybrid. Step 5. Timeline editing. Drag all your video clips above the voiceover in the timeline. Cut each clip to match the narration timing. Add background music. Lower the volume to -20 so it supports the voice without overpowering it. Captions? Optional for 3D docs. Transitions? Clean cuts work best. Export and your video's done. But if you upload it wrong, the algorithm buries it forever. So, here's how to go about the process. Open YouTube Studio. Upload your video. Use the title already created back in your topic generation step and paste it in. For thumbnail, open a new ChatGPT chat. Ask it to create a thumbnail prompt in 3D render style. Include your video title so it knows the topic. Copy that prompt. Head to Leonardo AI. Use the Phoenix model with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and hit Generate. Download the best one and upload to YouTube. For your description and tags, use vidIQ. Open the AI Coach. Ask it to generate an SEO-optimized description and 15 video tags based on your title. Copy the description and tags and paste into YouTube. For the settings checklist, set to Not Made for Kids. Set Altered Content to Yes. Check the video status. Make sure it's monetizable and has no copyright strikes. Set visibility to Public and hit Publish. And there it is. The complete blueprint to build a $50,000 per month 3D documentary channel using AI. If this video just saved you months of trial and error, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next blueprint.